On this third lesson about coordinate geometry, we're going to focus on points of intersection of two lines. What are points of intersection? As the name suggests, points of intersection of two lines are the points where the two lines cross one over the other. In this example, you have here line y1 and line y2. The point of intersection is the point where these two meet, point P. So how do we get them? How do we get the coordinates of such points? If you think of it, there's one thing that happens in P and P alone. If you have the equation of these two lines, don't forget what the equation of a line gives you. It gives you a value of y for each value of x. On this point over here, the lines y2 and y1 are the same. Don't forget, this is math. You can use the language of math that you've learned until now to actually ask questions. And this is a question that you are asking using mathematical language. You are asking what here? You are asking, can y1 and y2 be the same at any point? Don't forget that you will have an expression for x for y1, an expression for x for y2. So what you are asking is there any value of x for which y1 and y2 are the same? In other words, what are you asking? You are asking, what is the x coordinate over here for which these two are the same? So by solving this, you are finding the x coordinate over there. So let's go ahead and solve it. This is generic, whatever the equation of the straight line is for both. You equal one to the other. In most cases, you will know the value of m1, c1, m2, and c2. You just substitute and solve the equation for x to find it. And once you get the value of x, you substitute it in either y1 or y2 to get the y coordinate of point P, the point of intersection. Note one thing. Sometimes questions about points of intersection are in disguise. They tell you that points, for example, A, B, and C form a triangle, and you are asked to determine the area of the triangle, let's say. How would you get this? First, you will need, from these 3 points, you will need to get the equations of the 3 lines that you can build with these 3 points, so y1, y2, and y3. After you get that, you can get the points A, B, and C by calculating the point of intersection between these 2 lines, between each pair of 2 lines. So this would be the coordinate of point A, the intersection of y1 and y2. Point B would be the intersection of y1 and y3, and point C would be the intersection of y2 and y3. So if you are given the equation of these lines, you can get the points, and once you get the points, you can get the distance between them, which is vital for you to get the area of this triangle, right? So in this case, you could get the length BC, then you would get the point of intersection of this vertical line that passes through A on this line over here to get the height. Once you get the coordinate of that point over here, you could get the height, multiply this by that, divide by 2, and you would get the area of that triangle over there.